how I made a sneeze guard. Now, this idea came from my principal's friend. She made one of these and sent a picture to my principal, and then my principal sent it to me, and of course, I love to stay busy, so I thought I would take on the task. However, I was gonna insert a picture of hers, but since I don't have her permission, I don't wanna do that. So and it's really hard to see because it's clear. The sneeze guard that I'm working on is for a round table that can seat 4 kids. So I'm trying to make one where 4 kids can sit around it. I am gonna show you, before I start putting it all together, I'm gonna show you what one of them, if you did one sneeze guard, I'll show you what it would look like. But first, before we get started, I'm gonna go over how much everything cost. And I have my receipts right here, I need to look. So I have 2 different size brackets. Right here, this bracket is 6 inches by 8 inches, and they were 97 cents each. Then I got, what else did I get? Let me see here. Gorilla Tape. Not sure if I'm gonna need this yet or not, but the Gorilla Tape was $5.83. Then I got this size bracket, which is 8 inches by 10 inches, and it was $1.44 each. And then I got 4 of these. I didn't open this one so you could see. 4 of these, and these were $6.64 a piece. Okay, and the duct tape was $3.88. And I want to go back. Now I remember why I bought the 2-sided Gorilla Tape, was because I'm going to try to glue use this tape to put the brackets on. As you can see, I have magazines set up so that way the brackets don't move, because I'm still kind of hesitant on putting them on because I'm not quite sure exactly how I want it. I also took these off. I took these off around it, but I think I want to put them back on. The only thing is they slip off very easy. So I think I was gonna try to put super glue down it and then place it on, but I would have to hope the super glue does not drip, because it will kind of like burn or crack this, I think it's acrylic something. So I don't know if I want to do that. And if I do it, I am not gonna put it on the bottom. And the reason why I don't want to put it on the bottom is because when I'm cleaning them, I don't want stuff to drip down into these little tray things and just sitting there. I would just do the top and the sides and keep the bottom alone. So, let's see. I didn't want to film the whole thing because, I'm not gonna lie, there was some trial and errors to it. But the first thing I'm gonna show you is if you do one guard, what that would look like. Which is so much easier if you do one guard. Trying to do this 4 one has been hard, but fun. Just pop these off. Don't need the cardboard, don't need this. Peel the plastic off, and some of them will come broken, but that's not gonna matter. The other ones had 2 sticky sides. I'm thinking this one doesn't. Okay, say you wanted to do one shield that would separate 2 kids. Okay, you can put these on if you want, but they will slide off. I would suggest using the 8 by 10 brackets. I'm gonna bring it down. Hopefully you can see. And you would just put one on this side, this side, this side, and they might slide because I'm on tile and I'm not. you would do windshield. If you want to, you could put duct tape around it to decorate it. You could try these. I don't know how these, because they lift off really easy, and I'm scared about putting super glue on them. So that's how you do windshield. I'm gonna add this one over here. And the ones that I'm using in the middle are the 8x10 brackets. They're the big ones. I'm gonna bring it a little bit closer so you can see. I'll explain the duct tape in a minute. Okay, so it is so hard to see because they're so clear. I overlapped them a little bit and then taped them with duct tape down the middle. Now, because I want these to be portable, I don't want to hook all of these up together because carrying this thing is going to be a problem. So I decided to try super glue on this, and not too sure if it's going to work well. But we'll see.
I didn't see that.
Now this side. And I'm really trying to make sure I make it flat so nothing drips out. I like it better with the black on it. I'm gonna have to put some right here. Okay, this one isn't working well. Maybe it needs to dry. Okay, so now I'm gonna let the super glue dry before I try to mess with the brackets. Okay, we're gonna do the first bracket. This tape is so sticky. Okay. Perfect. Now the other one. Just right here. This is by far the stickiest tape I've ever used in my life. so I finished. And the neat thing about this is I can take it apart. So I can have this. I have another one right here, and then I have this really long one right here. Put them together like this. Just like that. And I could seat 4 kids. Anyway, I will put all the information I can in the description box. We'll see y'all later. Bye. So I got it set up in the classroom. The only thing up top where it looks smudgy, that's from the super glue when I used it to glue the black plastic framing on around it. And then I thought if it's not very sturdy, I can get Velcro and Velcro some of these brackets down, but it's pretty sturdy.